Let's talk about the supermarket. A supermarket is a large shop where you can buy food. When you go in, you take a basket or a cart. You use it to carry the things you want to buy. The supermarket is divided into sections. There are sections for fruit, vegetables, meat, and dairy products. The dairy section has milk, butter, cheese, and yogurt. These products come from cows and are kept cold. Many supermarkets have a prepared food section. You can buy bento boxes, sushi, and cooked dishes ready to eat. Prices are shown on labels. When something is on sale, the label is often a different color. When you are ready to pay, you go to the cashier. The cashier scans each item. You usually pack your own bag after paying. Many people bring a reusable bag from home. Some supermarkets have self-checkout machines. You scan your items and pay by yourself. Many supermarkets have a point card. You collect points when you shop and use them for a discount later. In the evening, prepared foods are often discounted. It is a good time to find a bargain. Supermarkets are clean and well organized. Staff restock the shelves often to keep everything fresh. Most supermarkets are open until late at night. Some are open 24 hours. The supermarket is part of everyday life. Most families visit it several times a week.